and we do have Dipti from the catalog team. So Dipti will be explaining everything about the catalog process from the scratch, how exactly you can upload the catalog, what exactly the procedure is. Apart from this, she has already shared a form for the attendance. I hope everyone has filled that form. I'll be explaining about the seller portal features to you and how you can tackle issues via seller portal or using the seller portal. Okay. So first of all, I just let you know seller portal is a OTP based platform where you will be requiring an email ID to log in on the seller portal. Apart from seller portal, most of the times brand get confused among seller portal and bin suppliers. So these two are different portals. One is primarily used for catalog and discounting, and second is used for inventory updation. Okay, so I'll just share my screen with you. Do let me know whether it is visible or not. And I'll just show you the interface of seller portal along with how can you use this. My screen is visible, right, to everyone? Yeah, so this is how seller portal looks like. You will be required to put your register email ID, which is shared on the onboarding email, okay, on the agent. If there is a change in the seller portal login, you need to like provide an update to your brand manager stating you need to change the email ID for the access of seller portal. So for an example, I'm just using the generic email ID of marketplace.
ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంది? ఏం పట్టిందా?
So this is how seller portal looks like. Okay. So just make sure if your brand is live on Nykaa Fashion, you will only able to see Nykaa Fashion over here. If there is any drop down, that means your brand is live on Nykaa Fashion as well as Nykaa.com. So if you need to make any changes on Nykaa platform, on both the platform, you need to do individually for different entities. So if you wish to make any changes for Nykaa Fashion, you need to click on Nykaa Fashion. If you need to make any changes on Nykaa Beauty, such as discounting and all, you can like select different entities and separately you can upload everything. Apart from this, if you there is three horizontal line where you will able to see the scorecard. So this will be live according to your order fulfillment tag, how you guys are dispatching the orders and everything. Upon you will be rewarded in what section and what exactly the score is. Upon that, there is rewards from Nykaa. Okay, so if you see the analytics for this is also available quarterly basis and monthly basis. So apart from this, I hope everything is clear till this. Apart from this, I'll be guiding you regarding the catalog process. Where, if you see, there is a drop down of catalog management. You just need to click. You have to select your category. Upon selecting your category, you need to select listing type. Every time it would be new listing. So I'll be just selecting a random category such as kurtis and kurtas, and the listing type would be new. So I'll just show you the template file how it looks exactly, and once I'll show the template file. Dipti will continue and she will be explaining about the catalog process from the scratch. Yes. If you see, we have already given an instruction sheet, so you guys are stuck anywhere. You guys are not able to understand what exactly the next steps are. You can refer to the instruction sheet. Along with that, this is the main sheet, and whatever you see in yellow marked, it is mandatory to fulfill. Okay. The rest, how you gonna execute this, how exactly the process is, Dipti will continue. So Dipti, you can guide the brands upon the catalog process.
Okay. Hi, Dave. So I'm sharing my screen. Once is it visible to you? Let me know. Okay. So this is the template looks like. So each template, uh, it's similar. Only the category you need to, according to your category and the product type, you need to select the template from the portal. So I have choose the western wear set template so that you can cover most of the attribute options in a one template. So this is the instruction sheet which you need to follow while filling the template. Like you can't change the file name or sheet name in the sheet in the template. And here are some which are the mandatory columns are that we have mentioned here. Which that column you need to fill is mandatory. Also, what information you can fill in this column that we have mentioned here. So, if you're stuck somewhere while filling the data, then you can refer, refer this sheet. So, this is the main sheet where you need to fill the data. So here in the row number 3, we have highlighted the mandatory columns in a yellow color header. So these are the mandatory columns which you need to fill in a sheet is a mandatory. If you miss any of the column which are mandatory and you miss to fill the information in that column, then while uploading your file, you will face an error. And the column which are with the white color header, so these are the conditional and optional column. So these, if you have information with you for this column, then you can fill those columns, or else you can leave this column blank. So first column will be the vendor SKU code. Vendor SKU code needs to be unique code for all the SKUs which you are going to share in a sheet. Also, this SKUs has these SKUs have a character limit of 30. So make sure your vendor SKU code needs to be unique and should not exceed more than 30 characters. Then gender, you need to select from the given drop-down list. So depending on your product, you can choose the correct option from the list. So in a template, in whichever column you are getting drop-down option, those column you need to fill by using that drop-down value only. You can't copy paste your own values in this column wherever you are getting drop-down options. Then same goes for the brand name also. Brand name you need to select from the given drop down list. So maybe if you're a new brand, then maybe possibility your brand name will be not there in this drop down list. Then you can connect with your brand manager or the marketplace team. They will help you to add your brand name in this drop down list. But without
मैम
yes.
मैम अगर टाइप करके ब्रांड आता है तो उसको सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं ना?
Yes, yes. But if yes, you can select like this, but it needs to be here. From you need to select it from the this list only. You can't write like you can't copy paste in, from any other place here. You need to select it from this list only. Then style code. So style code is based on the size variation. So suppose you are selling any product and in that product you have different sizes. So for all the different sizes of that product, you need to provide one unique code that is your style code. So I will show you one example. Suppose you are selling t-shirt of a black color which is having small, medium and large sizes. So for all the different sizes of black color t-shirt, I will provide one unique code that is T black. Then same goes for the another product. So the style code will different. So like this, you need to share the style codes in the sheet. If you are selling one size standalone product, then your vendor SKU code can be your style codes. If your products having three sizes or one sizes, mostly in dupatta or saris, in these type of products, sizes will be one sizes or three sizes. Otherwise, uh, in tops and pants like these products, sizes will come. So then product name. So product name has a character limit of 85. So make sure your product name should not exceed more than 85 characters. Also, it should not be one word product name like some brands are sharing t-shirt only in the product name. So kindly share the short description of your product in the product name column. Then description
ये
is
मैम
something.
मैम प्रोडक्ट नेम जो है 85 वर्ड से नीचे होनी चाहिए, कम में होनी चाहिए।
Yes.
ओके।
And description. So description does not have any character limit, so you can add more information about your product under this column. Then price. In price columns, you need to fill product MRP. Color, you need to select from the given drop down options according to your product. Then country of origin, also you need to select from the given drop down options. Then manufacturer name. In this column, you need to fill manufacturer name or vendor name. In manufacturing address, you need to fill full manufacturing address with the pin code. Pin code is mandatory in any address. So till here we have completed the business related attribute which are same and mandatory in each template. Then from here onwards, these are the product related attributes. So these attributes will changes according to your category and your product type. So first column in a product attributes is EN codes. So EN codes are the numeric codes and it has a character limit between 9 to 13 digits. So if you have EN codes with you, then you can share it in a sheet or else you can leave this column blank. Also, your share EN codes needs to be unique code for all the SKUs which you are going to share in a sheet. So as this is a conditional column, if you have EN codes with you, then you can fill or else you can leave this column blank. Then brand size. So product sizes you need to fill here one by one. Design code. So design code is based on the color variation. So suppose you are selling any product and in that product you have different color options available. So for all the different color options to show on a one PDB page, you need to provide one unique code that is your design code. So I will show you one example. Suppose you are selling t-shirt of a black color and red color, which is identically same, only the color is different. One is of black and one is of red. So for both the style code, I will provide one unique code. That is my design code. Same goes for the another product, like of kurta, which is comes in the black and yellow color. So for both the style codes, I will provide one unique code so that customer can able to see say all the color option at the same time on a PDP page. Then multipack set value will be single for all all the single products for which your net quantity is 1 n. Also, it will be single for all set products. Like even if you're selling kurta set or plazo set, then also your multipack set value will be single. It will be pack of 2 and 3 only when you are selling any particular product in a number of quantities, like 2 t-shirts, 2 pants, 2 leggings. If you are selling like this, then your multipack set value will changes to pack of 3 and 4 depending on your quantity. Otherwise, it will be single only. Then occasion you need to select from the drop-down options according to your product and what you can wear that you need to mention. Then
मैम अगर कुर्ता सेट होगा तो हम उसे सिंगल में रखेंगे.
yes,
Uh,
it will be only applicable pack of 2 only when like you are selling 2
मैम
t-shirts.
अगर कुर्ता सेट में मैम एक कुर्ता हुआ, पैंट हुआ और दुपट्टा होंगे तो उसे किस कैटेगरी में रखेंगे, सिंगल में या पैक ऑफ 3 में?
Single, because it is a like combo of that kurta set, right? If you're selling t-shirt in a quantity of 2, like 2 t-shirts, then only your multipack set value will be pack of 2 and 3 depending on your quantity. Otherwise, it will be single for all sets or single products.
नहीं, अगर मैम टी शर्ट भी अगर हमारी सिंगल होगी तो वो तो सिंगल में ही लिखेंगे ना उसे.
हाँ,
उसे
अगर
भी सिंगल
टी शर्ट है तो सिंगल ही आ जाएगा. अगर सेट है लाइक कुर्ते प्लाजो सेट, ये कैसे मतलब अलग अलग तो नहीं आएंगे, तो वो इन चीजों को भी हम सिंगल में ही मैप करेंगे. पैक ऑफ कब जाएगा, जब कोई पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट आप नंबर ऑफ मतलब एक से ज्यादा क्वांटिटी में बेच रहे हो, लाइक एक ही टी शर्ट है बट
जी.
2 क्वांटिटी उसके बेच रहे हो तो
एक
भी
साथ.
पैक जाएगा. हाँ.
अच्छा, ओके.
Any is your doubt clear?
ओके मैम, डाउन क्लियर.
Forward. Season.
डाउट को डाउन के
Season. So for season, you need to select the season from the given drop-down list. So for this, you need to choose the season. These 3 seasons only, basically the current year season option. You need to select from the drop-down list. Like there are for 2026, autumn and winter 2026, and spring and summer 2026. Then care instruction. So care instruction has a character limit of 250 including space. So make sure your care instruction value should not exceed more than 250 characters. Then ships in days. The number of days you are required to ship your product that you need to mention here. And in this column, you need to mention only yes.
ये भी मैंने ये वैसे कंप्यूटर को हाँ तो कभी मतलब कि आप ही रुक जाइए कि हम लोग.
Ravi, can you mute yourself? Okay, so in a ships and days, you need to mention only the numeric value. Like if you require 2 days, you need to mention only 2 in the ships and column. And HSN code. Then HSN code needs to be shared from the given drop-down list only, and it should be 8-digit HSN code. So in this drop-down list, you can see there are 6-digit and 4-digit HSN codes.
No.
So in this drop-down list, you can able to see there are 8-digit and 6-digit HSN codes are also available. But use only 8-digit HSN code because we need 8-digit HSN code only. If we receive 6-digit and 4-digit HSN code in the sheet, then we are rejecting that style. And if it is happening for the whole batch, then we are closing that ticket. Then pack content. In this column, you need to mention how many products are there in your package. Like if you are selling cord set, then you need to mention one top, one pant. If you're if you're selling only t-shirt, then you need to mention one t-shirt only. And depending on your pack content, your net quantity will changes accordingly. If there are 2 products in your package, your net quantity will be 2n. Then material, you need to select from the given drop-down list according to your product.
मैम ये नेट क्वांटिटी में क्या फिल करना होगा, एक बार दोबारा बता दीजिए.
नेट क्वांटिटी में जितने भी आपके प्रोडक्ट्स अवेलेबल है आपके प्रोडक्ट्स में वो आपको मेंशन करना है. लाइक अभी यहाँ पे 1 टॉप एंड 1 पैंट है, 2 प्रोडक्ट्स है, तो नेट क्वांटिटी 2n आएगा. अगर तो 8. Okay. Then material, you need to select from the given drop-down list. Disclaimer. If your product having any particular type of disclaimer, then you can share in a sheet, or else you can leave this column blank. If you have disclaimer, then disclaimer value should not exceed more than 250 characters. Then set subcategory. So in which subcategory you want to show your product, for which you need to share the category from this drop-down list according to your product. Okay, so if you are selling skirt set, then you need to select the skirt set. If it is pant set, you can select the pant set according to your category product line. Then neckline. So neckline pattern, then pocket description, closure, fit, sleeve length type, leg style, right style. So these are the product related attributes which you need to fill by using the drop down value only according to your product. Then responsibility criteria. So if your product lies under any responsibility criteria out of these options, then you can select those options accordingly, or else you can leave this column blank. Then collection function. Collection function is basically the collection name. So if you're selling any particular type of collection, then you can share the collection name here. Otherwise, you can leave this column blank. Model details. If you have model details with you, then you can share the model details, or else leave this column blank. Then age. So this column is only applicable for kids products. So if you are dealing in a kids category product, then you need to fill this column as a mandatory. So according to your sizes, at what age group that size will be suitable, that you need to mention here by choosing the drop downs from this list. Then sizing attributes. So for sharing the measurements, these columns are given. In a clothing, there are 2 type of measurement. One is body measurement, one is garment measurement. So if you have body measurements with you, then you can share those measurements in this column wherever in a header or body is mentioned. If you have garment measurement with you, then you can share those measurements in this column wherever in a header or garment is mentioned. Don't share both the measurements in this sheet. Like if you have body and garment both the measurements with you, then share only any one measurements. Like even if either garment or either body you can share in the sheet. Then For top wear products like t-shirt, top, kurta, for these products, bust measurements for the women and chest measurements for kids and men's are mandatory measurements. Then for bottom wear like pant, trouser, joggers, like these products, waist measurements are the mandatory measurements. And if you are selling a set product where top and bottom both are coming in a one package, then in that case, both chest, waist, these three measurements needs to be shared in a sheet. It's a mandatory. So kindly fill all the measurements in the sheet correctly. Uh, if you miss to fill any of the measurements which is mandatory for that product, then we are dropping that style, and if it is happen for the whole batch, then we are closing that ticket. So kindly provide all the measurements in the sheet correctly. Then images. So for sharing images, these columns are given. Here you need to share the product image link one by one in each cell according to your style code. So in a first column, you need to share front shot image of your product. Then in a second column, you can share the back angle image. In third column, side angle, infographic, lifestyle. So like this, one by one images you can share in this column. But at least two images are mandatory for each style. Then these two images needs to be unique images. If you share same link in a both columns, then it will consider as a single image only, and we can't proceed with the single images. So kindly provide unique images. Then you can use a drive link, Dropbox link, or any other product image or a link for sharing the images, but avoid using the transfer link and the post image link because our system is not able to download the images from these links. Your product image dimension needs to be 1500 into 2000. So these are our standard image dimension. So if you share the images in this dimension, then it's helpful for us for the cataloging. Uh, then if you're sharing images via drive link, then kindly share the access for the same because by us also we are not able to download the images. So that's it. Uh, just a minute. So as most of the brands are from the footwear category also on the call, so I will show you the how the template looks like, footwear template. So I downloaded a heels category template. So you can see the template will look same as I have uh, explained you earlier. Only the few columns of product attribute will changes according to your category. Like you will receive the type of footwear, sole material, then toe shape and ankle height. So these columns you need to fill by using the uh, like these are the product related attributes which you need to fill by using the drop down values. Then BI certificate and BI status is mandatory in this. And for the measurements of footwear, so all the measurements are mandatory measurements. Foot length needs to be shared in a centimeter only, and the UK, US, and Euro size needs to be shared in the sheet. If you are like selling heel products, then heel height needs to be mentioned here. Then images, for sharing the images, you can use this column. So that's it. Anyone have any question related to template? If anyone have any question related to template, then you can ask on this call.
Dipti, one question.
Yes.
So like let's suppose we have added all the colors and sizes at one time, okay? Later in the like we have added one more style and one more color, one more size. What it happens then? We need to unmerge it and then we have to unmerge it. Is it?
No, for adding more sizes in that particular style code,
Yeah.
for that you need to create the size addition ticket.
Okay.
You need to create size addition ticket,
Mm-hmm.
and to add a design codes for that you need to raise the task ticket. The task member will merge your products in a one PDB page.
Okay.
Like if you if you need to make changes in any products which are already live, then for those products you need to raise the task ticket only
Okay. If we want to
to
do any
make.
changes on the panel, like existing listings pay, we have to
Yes, yes,
raise a task ticket, right?
yes.
Yeah. And if you want to add the size,
For that you need to raise a size addition ticket.
size addition ticket. Got it. Could you please show us a way to add a way to raise a ticket and all, like if anything happens goes wrong?
So size addition. Actually, I don't have the portal access. For that, you need to connect with your brand manager. They will help you to add the size addition or any task ticket
Okay.
or to
Rohit,
raise
you
it
might
on the
have the
portal.
access to the portal, no? If you can.
Yes.
Yeah.
Any other doubt related to template?
मैम शिपिंग में क्या फिल करना होता है?
शिपिंग में द नंबर ऑफ डेज, लाइक आपको कितना टाइम लगेगा शिप करने के लिए, वो शिपिंग डेज में मेंशन करना है. अगर 2 दिन लग रहे हैं तो आपको 2 मेंशन करना है शिप्स इन डेज में. Okay, so anyone have any doubt? If not, then we can proceed with the further training. Before starting the another training, we have added the new service in the cataloging, that is Insta Cataloging. So my colleague Mr. Murtaza Daud will explain you what are the exactly services are. Murtaza, can you explain?
Yes, yes, Dipti, thank you. So hello everyone, and hope you're doing well. My name is Muttus and I'm from Nykaa Fashion Cataloging team. And this is just a small brief regarding a new service that we have recently launched for the sellers. The name of the service is Insta Catalog, and with this service, the team will help and provide all the comprehensive support for SKU creations, helping to minimize the error and saving a lot of time that usually goes into creating the catalog sheets and uploading each ticket manually for each product. The service is chargeable, and in case if you are interested to know more on the process and price related information, you can get in touch with me with the provided details in the message box. Thank you.
Thank you, Daud.
Okay, thanks, Murtuza. Thanks, Dipti. So I'll be explaining about the discount part. Okay. Uh, Meanwhile, brands, I hope everything is clear, and Dipti has thoroughly explained you about the cataloging process. So apart from cataloging, if you see uh, catalog management, uh, catalog management, uh, you have to click on this, the drop down, and track status. So whenever you see a ticket which states that the file is pending for the approval, you need to connect with your brand manager. You don't have to email to marketplace team, or you don't have to raise any ticket. you just need to connect with your brand manager. Okay. Apart from this, coming to the discount part, it's quite easy. Honestly, you just need to download the sample CSV template, which looks like this. You just have to like add your Nykaa SKUs. Along with that, how much discount you wish to give to the customer. You don't have to do any alteration, any modification. You just have to put your Nykaa vendor SKU codes and the discount you wish to give to the customer. Okay. You can also track the status from the track status of discount, whether it is uploaded or not. Along with that, if you guys are not working on Sundays, we have holiday calendar. You just need to mark the holidays 5 days prior. So if you wish to update the holidays for 26, you need to do it right now, 20. So 5 दिन पहले आपको आपका holiday update करना है. Apart from this, don't email. Apart from any escalation to the brand manager, don't email to any teams, as we have different portals for each and every escalations. So if you have any queries regarding order processing, raise the ticket from the finance partner help desk. If there is a query for the wrong product received or incorrect item received or the damaged product received, you need to raise a ticket from the dispute help desk, where you guys need to maintain a CCTV footage if required and asked by the dispute team, and the date and time should be mentioned over there. The CCTV footage and the date and time. If any query regarding the logistics or pickups, you need to raise a ticket from the logistic help desk. If any issues related to finance, such as invoices, payouts, and sales report, need to raise the same from the finance help desk. So that's it from my end. If you have any queries, do let me know.
Yes, Rohit. Can you show us how to process the orders? Like if it is a seller fulfilled, and if it is a if we get any PO from the Nykaa, like how to process it and all.
May I know, you are already an existing brand, or
This is
you
a
guys
new brand.
are
New brand.
new brand, right?
Yes.
So right now you have given a seller portal credential.
Yes.
Once you receive the training and onboarding email for the inventory updation, you will get an SOP. आदित्य एक कॉल कॅटलॉग ट्रेनिंग कॉलवर आहे, काय असेल मला हँगआउट करणे चेक करू. So whenever you receive the training and onboarding email, you will be receiving an SOP, how to update the inventory, how to process the order, how to generate the shipping label, each and everything, along with the YouTube videos. Okay?
Okay.
So everything will be provided.
Got it, Rohit. Yes.
Okay. Apart from this, any queries, guys? Okay. I hope your day will go very well. And thank you so much for joining this call. If you have any queries, do raise the ticket from the appropriate help desk. Okay. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.